What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we're going to be doing a detailed review on the Air Jordan 1 Triple White, so stick around. So as mentioned, we're doing a detailed review on these sneakers, but first of all, the reason why I bought these sneakers is for me to start and customize it, because as you all know, if you've been following our channel, we do have the Air Force 1 in noise cancelling and for Nike Cortez in noise cancelling, which is practically all white. So basically what we're gonna do is do custom for all these three sneakers and see what is the outcome. So actually, now that looking at it in front of me and on hand, this is actually a nice sneaker.
Actually, this is a very underrated Air Jordan 1 low.
Underrated white plain sneakers, right?
So actually, I'm a big fan of white leather sneakers like Stan Smith, Common Projects. And this one is like at par with them. So
yeah.
I think the leather quality on this one is really nice.
Yeah, it's very soft.
Yeah, it's a thick, tumbled leather material, so it's very nice. You have the nylon tongue, Air Jordan logo here, number 23, Air Jordan branding there, and it's all white. So it's when you're looking at this sneaker from afar, it looks very elegant.
Yeah.
And the good thing about the plain white leather sneakers are you can match them with almost anything.
Yes, you can match it with jeans, you can match it with joggers, you can even wear it with shorts.
With shorts, with those socks, with socks.
Yes.
And you can wear it in almost all occasions.
Exactly.
So if you're going to school, watching movies, going to church,
Yeah,
going on a
very
night out,
very
versatile.
Versatile sneakers. Now I'm having second thoughts if I should.
I think you don't customize this one. Just do the Air Force 1 and the Cortez.
Probably because this is actually a neat one and very nice. I mean, I don't really have all white sneakers, and I think this is gonna be part of my collection as one of my all white sneakers, you know, because it's really nice. I mean,
Just need to keep it in and it will look good every time.
yeah, I'm not really a fan of the Air Force 1 because I feel it's too chunky,
Too high.
and too chunky for me. Cortez is too narrow, and I think Jordan 1 lows are just right for me. I actually love the Jordan 1 low silhouette. I've reviewed several silhouettes already. I have the gold toe, I have the royal toe, I have the Travis Scott's. So yeah, I mean the Jordan 1 low is actually before I started to like the Jordan 1 highs, I actually only like the Jordan 1 lows before.
Actually,
I didn't
they
like
will
the highs.
make a Jordan 1 high with the same materials as this one.
They don't have it?
Not the same material. They have it, but it's a different material.
It's like not as thick as this leather.
Yeah, this
right?
one is thick and tumbled.
Ah.
The other ones they have is like, and all the leather panels are
the same.
thick and tumbled.
Yeah.
But
It's all throughout except for the swoosh.
except for this one. So most of the Jordan ones will have this material. Then
the one
they will
with swoosh.
they will put tumbled leather on the lateral panels and the toe box.
But this one,
But this one is all over tumbled leather.
so that's why it really gives it's not
premium.
luxury, but it gives you a
Premium,
premium vibe, and not everyone rock these, right?
But I think this one is very versatile. I think everyone can wear this and almost anything.
And the thing is, this is only $100 or less than $100. Although I got this from around 4,900. I got this in one of the outlets on retail, so 4,995 in the Philippines, but this one actually costs only about $90. Less than $100. Because I got the other Jordan 1 lows less than $90 through StockX. So yeah, this is definitely a neat sneaker. So Yeah, most probably I'm not gonna customize this one. Well, originally that's my purpose, but yeah, I think this one is for keeps. Since we're talking about the Air Jordan 1 Low, just want to remind you guys that we have an ongoing giveaway. We have an Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe
And an Ultra Boost 19.
that we're currently giving away. Just watch our video of the 250,000 mystery sneaker unboxing, or the 5,000, 250,000 or 5,000 US dollars mystery sneaker unboxing. Check out the details over there, and yeah, participate on our giveaway.
We hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button.
Don't forget to like us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have IG, we have Snapchat, we have TikTok.
And again, my name is Corlan.
And this is Manuel.
Until next time.